how to make Squidward in Infinity Craft. So let's get started. First up, we will combine earth plus water and we will get plant. Plant plus wind, we will have dandelion. Dandelion plus water and we will have wine. Wine plus water, holy water. Holy water plus fire, we have vampire. And wine plus fire, we have smoke. Right now, let's put this aside. Smoke plus water, we have fog. Earth plus wind, we have dust. Dust plus earth, we have planet. Planet plus fog, we have Venus. Let's put it aside a little bit. Water plus fire, we have steam. Steam plus Venus, we have life. Life plus vampire, we have death. Let's put it aside a little bit. Venus, wait a second. Plus fog, we have love. And love plus that, we have heartbreak. Let's put it aside, like here. And right now, let's make SpongeBob, because we will need to combine with heartbreak. Wind plus earth, we have dust. Dust plus water, we have mud. Mud plus fire, we have brick. Earth plus brick, we have house. Double water, we have lake. Lake plus fire, we have volcano. Let's put it aside. Lake, actually double lake. We have ocean. Ocean plus earth, we have Iceland. Iceland plus volcano, we have Hawaii. Water plus earth, we have plant. Hawaii plus plant, we have pineapple. Pineapple plus house, we have pineapple under the sea. And pineapple under the sea plus ocean, we have SpongeBob. So right now let's combine heartbreak plus SpongeBob. And we have Skyward. Hope that this video will help you guys, and we will see in the next videos.